Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. About this limit, we can write into like this. So about this one, we got about this one in here. You got number 4, so we put number 4 in here. About this one, that's about negative 8, so we put negative number 8 on here. And we have 12. The next one, so the limit of f of x, that's about negative 8. This one, we have number 4. You got about negative 32. And the last one, we do similar in here. So this one, we have the square. So that should be about negative number 8 to the power of 2 minus 3x to the power of 3. You have number 4 in here. We calculate about this one. And you got about 0. This is the end. Thank you for watching.